Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 14 and let me share with you how to show and how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it is 11 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings and then the camera. Here we've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So if you'd like to, you can check some further details just by tapping on the graph or inside the graph, and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can change the screen time to notifications and times opened. And under it, you've got the list of apps which you've been using with the specific time you've spent on them. And the second way is to tap directly on the app. So for example, the settings, camera, or whichever app you've got here. So just tap on it and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected only with this one app. Again, you can change the screen time and from daily to hourly. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.